न देवो विद्यते काष्ठे न पाषाणे न मृण्मये भावे हि विद्यते देवः तस्माद्भावो हि कारणम् न देवः विद्यते काष्ठे न पाषाणे न मृण्मये भावे हि विद्यते देवः तस्मात् भावः हि कारणम् न देवो विद्यते काष्ठे न पाषाणे न मृण्मये भावे हि विद्यते देवः तस्मात् भावो हि कारणम् देवः भगवान्. Where is Bhagavan? Where is God? Is there anything like God? So where is he? Right? So people have different images, pictures of God and goddesses and all that. But actually, really, where is God? So Vedanta, Sanatana Dharma confirms with utter clarity that Bhagavan is everywhere. I am speaking now. What gives me the capability to speak? You are hearing. What is it that is giving you the capability to hear, perceive? It is the same source. Devaha Bhagavan. Na devo vidyate kaste. Okay, so then where is this Bhagavan exactly? Na devaha vidyate. Vidyate means to be. Kaste. In any wood, you can make a god out of picture forms. Kastam, you can use wood carving. Pashana, stone. That is very most common material used to create statues, idols. Pashana, stone. Mrunmaye are made of clay. But is that God exists? God is of the form of clay or stone? If we create a form of a God using stone, so God is there in the stone but not elsewhere? Or make statue out of clay, right? We make Ganesh Chaturthi out of clay. Very symbolic. It doesn't mean that clay is God, or the stone is God, or a wooden carving that is God. Bhave hi vidyate devaha. So then where is God? Bhave. Bhavaha, sankalpaha. So God is in your feeling, in you, in me, called Chaitanyam. Right? So we are living beings. We have that Chaitanyam. Chaitanyam is translated into English as consciousness. But basically it is that because of which you live. There is life in the body. The body itself is just, mamsam athini. It is, mamsam and then skeleton and all the nerves. Body by itself doesn't have anything, any Chaitanya. It is the Bhagavan Devaha. That Bhavaha. Bhavaha literally means being present is the Bhavaha. So being present in each one of us, that being in us, that is Devaha. So we say human being, human exists. So what is it that enables this human to be to be the being. Bhava is Bhagavan, Devaha. Bhave hi vidyate Devaha. Tasmad bhavo hi karanam. So the only reason is bhavaha. Bhavaha. अतः सर्वत्र देवस्य संकल्पं करोतु. So if you can see, Deva is everywhere. You can feel that in you, in me, everywhere. In the sun. Sun is giving us light, heat, right? And Mother Earth. So all that, everything is Deva, Bhagavan is everywhere. Vayam vadamaha Devah sarvatra asti iti. We say that God is everywhere. Kintu kavihi vadati Devah kasthe nasti. It's not in the wood carving. Shilayam nasti. Not in the stone statue. Mrunmaye ati nasti iti. Not even in the clay statue created. Tarhi kutra Devaha? Then where is God? Devaha asmakam sankalpe asti. God is in us. How we see it. What we feel. Atah sarvatra devasya sankalpam karotu. So we can see God by feeling God, not by creating physical things and thinking God comes into them. That's the need. One final time I will chant this Subhashitam. All of you please repeat after me. Na devo vidyate kasthe na pashane na mrunmaye bhave hi vidyate devaha tasmat bhavo hi karanam. I stop here. Any questions? You can unmute now. You can ask me any questions. These two Subhashitas we learned today. Any questions on that? Understood? No question? So just repeat after me once again both the Subhashitas. So Bharate Samskrita Bhasha. Who is going to chant that on the anniversary? Bharate Samskrita Bhasha.
Sir, it's me, sir. Prasanna.
Mahodaya, you repeat after me, Prasanna Mahodaya. Bharate Samskrita Bhasha.
Bharate Samskrita Bhasha.
Kamadhenu Prakirtita.
Kamadhenu Prakirtita.
Janani Vishwabhashanam.
Janani Vishwabhashanam.
Vijnanasyopakarini.
Vijnanasyopakarini.
Then who is saying this? Nadevo vidyate kasthe.
That's me, Mahodaya.
Repeat after me. Nadevo vidyate kasthe.
Nadevo vidyate kaste.
Na pashane na mrunmaye.
Na pashane na mrunmaye.
Bhave hi vidyate devaha.
Bhave hi vidyate devaha.
Tasmat bhavo hi karanam.
Tasmat bhavo hi karanam.
Uttam. Samyak. स्थापयामि. शुभम्.